quote Plato, excellence is not a gift, but a skill that takes practice. We do not act rightly because we are excellent. In fact, we achieve excellence by acting rightly. And hence, we are here to honor the people who have made a difference by acting rightly. Today, we have with us Dr. V.N. Alok and Mr. Madan Mohan. To begin with, I would like to call upon Mr. B. Karthikeyan, President, Archie Group of Companies, to come and receive his Order of Merit for their project, Improving Livelihoods of People by Improving the Employability of the Differently Abled and Destitutes. Mr. B. Karthikeyan. Next, can I have from Agricultural Marketing Department, District Kurnool, for their project E-National Agricultural Market, Mr. Srinivasulu MKV, the Project Director. Next, from Ambuja Cement Foundation for their project Skill Training and Entrepreneurship Development, can we have Mr. Dalsukh Vaghasia, Deputy General Manager. Next, from Anuna Education Network Private Limited for their project Training and Upliftment of Artisans of India, can we have Mr. Vikas Dwivedi, the project head. Next, can we have Dr. Pradeep Kumar Koramutla, Managing Director, Balaji Institute of Research and Rehabilitation Hospital for their project Free Healthcare Treatment to Differently Abled and Physically Challenged People. From Basics Academy for Building Lifelong Employability Limited, for their project Outreach of Dr. Lal Pathlab Collection Center to the rural community, we have with us Mr. Ajay Kumar, Vice President. For their project Jan Vikas Campaign, can we have Mr. Dilip Rana, Collector and District Magistrate, Collectorate, District Anand. From Commissionerate Bhopal Division and UNDP, for their project Navotan, we have Ms. Kalpana Srivastav, Divisional Commissioner. Next, we have with us Captain Vineet Kumar, President, Cyber Peace Foundation for their project Digital Shakti and E-Raksha. From Dash Skill EduTrain Private Limited for their project Skill Development under NSDC, RSLDC, NULM and other government agencies, we have Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Director. For their project, the West Bengal model of PPP for ITI, we have Mr. Surojit Mandal, Joint Director, Department of Technical Education, Training and Skill Development, Government of West Bengal. Next from Directorate of Industries Department, Government of Maharashtra, for their project Innovation Entrepreneurship Development Program with special emphasis on SC, ST and women. We have with us Mr. S.R. Londe, Director of Industries, and Mr. P.R. Rendalkar, Executive Director. Administration Kurnool for groundwater recharge conservation and management. We have with us Mr. Srinivasulu MKV, Project Director. For the project E-Office by District Administration Narayanpet, we have with us Mr. Suthapalli Venkat Rao, District Collector. For the project Creation of Farm Ponds by District Administration Ramnathpuram, we have with us Dr. Mr. Veera Raghav Rao, District Collector. From District Administration, District Collectorate Salem, for their project Individual Toilet Swachh Bharat Mission, Grameen, we have with us Mr. Arul Jyothi, Project Director. From District Water Management Agency, Kurnool, for their project Rainwater Harvesting and Conservation, we have with us Mr. Mallikarjuna Raghuram, Deputy Director. From Dot Box Conception Private Limited, for their project Lootle, we have Mr. Yashwant Suthar, the founder. From Edu Jobs Academy Private Limited, for their project Recognizing the Skill and Certificate of Workforce in Unorganized Sector, we have with us Mr. Ankit Tulshan, Project Manager. From FTech Skill Development, for their project Mahila Jyoti Yojana, we have with us Mr. Praveen Arya, Chairman. For the project Shefali, we have from Feedback Energy Distribution Company Limited, we have with us Mr. Samarjeet Mohanty, Chief Executive Officer. Gangtok Municipal Corporation, for their project E-Trade License Management System, we have with us Mr. Shakti Singh Chaudhary, Mayor. Next we have with us Ms. Santoshi Devi, Managing Director of Gumlar Red Agri Producer Company Limited, for their project Developing Pro-Poor Market-Led Production. Gwalior Smart City Development Corporation Limited, we have with us Mr. Mahi Tejasvi, Chief Executive Officer for the project Public Bike Sharing. Next, we have with us Mr. Raj Nehru, Mission Director of Haryana Skill Development Mission for their project District Skill Development Plan. I thank Mr. Madan Mohan and Dr. V.N. Alok for joining us on stage. Next, we have with us Mr. R.K. Gupta and Mr. Nirmal Bansal. From Himachal Pradesh Kaushal Vikas Nigam for their project Skill Development, may we have on stage Mr. Sunny Sharma, General Manager. Next, we have with us Mr. Ashish Kumar Sinha, State Level Coordinator from Jaya Organic Yojana for the project Seeing is Believing, Doing is for Real. Next, from Khadi and Village Industries Commission, Ministry of MSME, Government of India, for their projects udyami.org.in and Prime Minister Employment Generation Program Scheme, we have with us Mr. Mukesh Shukla, Chartered Accountant. For their project Construction Skills Training Institute, we have with us Mr. Kamaljeet Singh Mehrab, Principal, Larsen and Toubro Limited. From Learned Skills Limited for the projects Vocational Skill Training for Unemployed Youth leading to employment across 22 states in India and imparting quality skill training with a focus on outcome by standardized skill training for trainers. We have with us Mr. Abhishek Singh, Head, and Ms. Ruchika Banga, Senior Manager. From Life Sciences Sector Skill Development Council for the project Existing Workforce Skill Assessment for Life Sciences Sector, we have with us Mr. Anshul Saxena, Director. From Maharashtra State Innovation Society and Maharashtra State Skill Development Society for their projects Maharashtra State Innovative Policy 2018 and Mahaswayam Portal, I invite Mr. Munil Bheda, Chief Minister Fellow. From Management and Entrepreneurship and Professional Skills Council for the project English Employability and Entrepreneurship Intervention in Skilling, we have with us Colonel Anil Kumar Pokhriyal, CEO. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Kailash Chand Gupta, Joint Secretary from Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India for the project MIS Portal for Scheme of Jan Shikshan Sansthan for Skill Development. Next, from Mirya Laguda Municipality for the project Environmental Protection through different initiatives, we have with us Mr. P. Bakaya, Town Mission Coordinator. Next, we have Ms. Komal Mittal, Municipal Commissioner, for her project Heritage Conservation under Hriday Scheme from Municipal Corporation, Amritsar. In which one? And Mr. Sanjay Kumar from Municipal Corporation, Amritsar. Municipal Corporation Chhindwara, we for the project Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Housing for All 2022, we have Mr. Prakash Dubey, Sub-Engineer. Next, we have with us Mr. Inderjeet Kularia, Joint Commissioner, Municipal Corporation Gurugram, for his projects Composting by Community and Mobile Composting Systems. Can we have a loud round of applause for the winners, please? And also from Municipal Corporation Gurugram for their project Control of Dengue in urban areas of Gurugram, we have with us Dr. Brahmdeep Sindhu, Chief Medical Officer. Next, we have Mr. Arun Prakash Chavan, Manager IT from Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai for their projects Online Citizen Engagement and Online Delivery of Citizen-Centric Services, Managed Cloud Services, Hospital Management Information System, IT Security Audit for Applications and Infrastructure, Vehicle Tracking and Monitoring Systems, and eMaster Biometrics. Next, from Municipal Corporation Panchkula for the project Panchkula City Surveillance Project for Citizen Safety, we have with us Mr. S.S. Moore. Mr. R.K. Gupta and Nirmal Bansal for being here with us. Thank you, sirs. Now I would like to invite on stage Mr. U.K. Sharma and Mr. Subodh Shukla. From Municipal Corporation Shimla for their project Street Dog Adoption and Management Program, we have Dr. Neeraj Mohan. Next, from Municipal Council Dhindori for their project PM Awas Yojana Housing for All 2022, I request Mr. Pankaj Sikka and Mr. Shashank Armo, CMO. Next, we have Mr. Sandeep Kumar, operator, for his project Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Housing for All 2022 from Municipal Council Patan. Also from Municipal Council Patan, we have their project CM Helpline and Mr. Sandeep Kumar receiving the Order of Merit for the same. From Nagar Palika, District Mandla for their project PM Awas Yojana Housing for All 2022, we have Mr. Pradeep Jharia, Chief Municipal Officer. From Nagar Palika Parishad Balaghat for their project PM Awas Yojana Housing for All 2022, we have with us Mr. Dinesh Bagmare, Chief Municipal Officer. We have Mr. Lakshman Singh Saras, Chief Municipal Officer from Nagar Palika Parishad, Malanj Khand, for his project PM Awas Yojana Housing for All 2022. Next we have Mr. Suthapalli Venkat Rao, District Collector from Narayanpet District Collectorate to receive his Order of Merit for his project Pale Pragatahi. With us from National Informatics Centre, Kerala State, for their project Employment at Kerala, Mr. Pradeep Singh, Scientist D. Next we have Mr. Hukum Singh Meena, Joint Secretary from National Informatics Centre, Pune, for his project National Generic Document Registration System. From Noida Authority for the project retrofitting of 74,000 LED street lights in Noida, we have with us Ms. Renu Maheshwari, Chief Executive Officer. With us Mr. Dinesh Sood, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Orient International Private Limited for their project Beauty Education. Next, from Orion Edutech Private Limited for their project Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, we have with us Ms. Shalini Singh, HR and Operations Manager. Next, for the project Samarth Saksham by People Tree Foundation, we have with us Ms. Smita Roy, Managing Trustee. From Roman Technologies Private Limited for their project Capacity Building and Innovation on Skill Development, we have Mr. Anshuman Singh, Regional Head. From Skill Council for Mining Sector for the project the Jumbo Drill Operator Skill Training Program, we have Mr. Ravindra Singh, Chief Operating Officer. From Skill Council for Persons with Disability for their project Training of Trainers and Assessors on Disability Orientation and Sensitization, we have Mr. Tarun Parihar. Also, by Skill Council for Persons with Disability, we have Mr. Tarun Parihar for his project Standardization of Skill Assessments. Next, we have Mr. Srinivasulu, MKV, Project Director of Skill Development Department, Kurnool District, for his project Skill Development Activities. Next, we have Mr. M. Maheshwar Reddy, Chief Executive Officer, CDAP, Department of Skills Development and Training, Government of Andhra Pradesh, for his project Society for Employment Generation and Enterprise Development. From South Delhi Municipal Corporation for their project SDMC Solar Power Project, we have Mr. Vikas Jain, Superintending Engineer. Next we have Mr. Zuzar Tinwala, Chief Operating Officer of Standard Chartered Bank for the project Emerging Technologies Drive, ASEAN and South Asia. Next, for the project TagNet, Tag Online Skill Assessment Portal, we have with us Mr. Ribhu Vashisht, Chief Executive Officer, Tag Assessors Guild Private Limited. From Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge for their project Roots to Wing Aerospace Skilling for Rural Youth, we have with us Mr. Shrikant Sinha, the Chief Operating Executive. And lastly, from Vision India Services Private Limited for their project Rural Women Empowerment, we have with us Mr. Vivek Kumar, Chief Executive Officer. I would like to thank Mr. UK Sharma and Mr. Subodh Shukla for joining us. And I would also like to request everybody to stay seated for the valedictory ceremony. Thank you.